So a certain client gave me this small Bluetooth speaker to try to find its problem so that I can troubleshoot it. Its main problem was that when you put a flash disk, it does not play the music or the content on it. Before handing it to me, he told me that the Bluetooth had fallen with the flash disk in it, which means that there must be a possibility that it might have been dislocated. So after knowing that, I grabbed my tweezer and started opening it. I started with this metallic black thing by pulling it off, because under it is where the screws are always hidden. After removing it, the screws are now exposed. I used the screwdriver to open them all, and then I opened the Bluetooth from inside. Now the inside parts are now exposed. So this is the PCB that I'm supposed to deal with. I'm supposed to inspect whether the positive and the negative data in of the USB port is in good condition and not tampered with. So to ease this work, I just added my solder paste and then heated that part using a soldering gun. After seeing that it has sticked well and everything is okay, the USB port is not shaking anymore, the next step was to clean the whole PCB using benzene water. After cleaning it thoroughly, it was time to close the whole thing. I placed back the buttons into their respective positions, then followed by the PCB. I also placed it into its position. Next, I placed back the back casing of the speaker. Then I tied back the corresponding screws using a screwdriver as earlier. Lastly, I placed back the metallic stuff once again. Now the last thing remaining, it was time for testing. I placed back the flash disk into the speaker and now it was working fine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Music.